Okay, so I'm going to show you how to pull those two different reports you were talking about. So right now I'm logged in to Eduforyourware as you. You can do it by class, but I'm going to go ahead and click on all my students. So this will pull up all your students. You took a common assessment in English Language Arts, the year, and here you'll pull up your test. So automatically this just pulls up all your kids, what their scores were. So there's two things you requested. One thing you asked for was, how do I show the kids which ones they missed? You'll go up to this drop-down menu up here, and it's called Student Individual Responses. So when you click on that, that will give you all the information you need. You have two ways of printing this. You can print to PDF or you can export to Excel. I suggest clicking on the export, sorry, because you can quickly remove, ignore my report. You can quickly remove some information you may not want. So if I wanted to know if they're SPED or if I didn't need to know their gender, I could go ahead and just delete those. You just have a little more room to make it work for you. So that's one way to pull it. The other thing you asked to do is, how do I print a list of kids who failed? So another way to do this is to go up to the drop-down menu, do your student scores, and then export it to Excel. And then you would just do a sort. I'd go to my approaches if that's my passing, or you can go by percent score, right click and sort it from largest to smallest. So you can scroll down and see the grades, and you can start seeing the below the 70s who you want to correct, who needs to make corrections. So you did good, not too many need to make corrections. So that's two ways. Let me dig into one more thing and see if this helps. Go to reports down here. We do have some lead forward reports. You can go to your either campus or your class quintile report. You can click a test. You just search. So you might search grade 6, reading unit 1. If you click on your test and click all students, you can print this report. And this one also breaks your kids down by quintiles. So that'll kind of give you another look of who's not passing. Just to let you know, there are several other reports you can use in here. There's an incorrect responses report you can pull by. You can go into the student test summary report. There's many types of reports that you can go in and pull in that are visually more appealing than the other way. So I recommend kind of playing with those a little bit. If you need any more help, I'm more than happy to do that for you. Just let me know.